it. It's just starting to become light. Got a wetty top here. I think I'll just wear the, that's pretty wet. Probably just wear the steamer today. Oh, I might bring the wetty top just in case we're going like for quick surf all around the coast. And so what we got here? We got a Red Bull, obviously. Got the Powerade, Mountain Blast, got the water, got the freaking, got the Rocky Road from like a while ago from Christmas. Got some saladas, got some chats, got some chili beef, biltong. Got all the goods. Moles here. Got the Red Bull. We're ready. What up? Nice little sunrise with Molly Chop. Let's crack the ready. Crack the psych juice up, hey Mo? You beauty. Tastes like a normal Red Bull. It tastes good. Got the boards in the back. Got the food as well. Got the bucket with all the wetsuits and stuff. Got just made it. Couple waves coming through up and down the beach. No one's out. Besides this bloke right here. Paddling back out. Couple big rollins coming through.
I've seen him get away, bro.
Yeah. Couple lines coming through. Couple lines rolling through, but it's not looking that special. It's a bit wobbly. It's got a bit of morning sickness to it. Still looks fun though. I think I want to go move to a different spot. Oh shit, they come. Wait, fuck me, no. Where we going? We're coming here. Bring him. Wait, bring him. They come out. Bring him.
I would have to get a view.
Right. Bruh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
No.
Good morning.
Left hand.
Good morning.
Morning. Sweet, man. Morning.
Looking more or less the same. The pursuit for good waves continues. Oh, there's a... It's an alright one. Boys just found a cheeky little Bex. and it is pumping. It's absolutely pumping. Oh, hey, look at this one. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. I think we found the jackpot. Look, someone's on it. Someone's on it. Oh, oh, he's in it. He's in it. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's actual pumping, bro. It's actual pumping.
Yeah, I walked in and I couldn't even breathe.
Sometimes I need to remember just to breathe. Sometimes I need you to stay away from me. Sometimes I'm in disbelief, I didn't know. Somehow I need you to go. Don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you, just giving myself back and don't stay. Sometimes I feel like I trusted you too well. Sometimes I just feel like screaming at myself. Sometimes I'm in disbelief, I didn't know. Somehow I need to be alone. Don't forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you, just giving myself back and don't stay. I don't need you anymore. I don't want to be ignored. I don't need one more day of you wasting me away. I don't need you anymore. I don't want to be ignored. I don't need one more day of you wasting me away. With no apology, don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you, just giving myself back and don't stay. Don't stay. Don't stay.
Oh! Oh my god, bro. Yeah. You absolute. Yeah, bear.
Oh, go there.
Okay.
Oh.
What do you do?
Oh. Eddie! Barrel. Oh, it's gonna fat now. Yeah, it's gonna get fatter. If he keeps going, it might have an inside.
Fuck yeah, dog.
Fuck yes. That takeoff was nice, eh? Oh!
Mate, if you watched that video, hope you guys had a good watch. This is the end. We were having so much fun, but I forgot to film. But time to have a Red Bull. What's the time? It's like 10:30. No, it's like 10 something, I think. Now we're just here. Oh, that's just amazing. Here with Mo and Pets at Fairy Meadow. Absolutely beautiful. This is where you get murdered, bro. This is where you get murdered. Hey, bro. Just out here at the local stomping grounds. We served 3 spots, 3 sessions. We served thirroul. It was pumping. We served what?
That's normal.
We served Macaulay. It was cranking. And we served... I said it right this time.
3 spots one day.
I said 3 spots, 3 sessions.
That's normally how it works.
Yeah, exactly. Don't know what these guys are on. These guys are just 2 sun-kissed from the surf. Look at this guy. Look at this little boy. Look at this black
guy,
boy.
little Peter.
Look at little Peter right here.
Wait, remember in the bush this morning?
Yeah.
Brah.
Bruh. We got that on film. This is in the clip.
I thought you were.
Alright, rewind the clip. No. Alright, we're back. Because the clip is Bruh.
Did I hear Eddie?
No.
It was Mo.
Where's Bear? Who cares about him, bro? He's probably doing something Mardi Gras in the toilets. Probably
doing something strange for a bit of extra change in the
Hey, do I look cool or what? Call Lord session. What?
You want to do something strange for a bit of extra change?
What do you say to that, Pets? What do you say?
Hey, you want to do something strange for a bit of change?
I'll do it for free.
What the heck?
Oh, you want to earn some extra change by doing something strange? Oh, I am Bear.
So here's tonight's resting area. So Pets, tell us what has happened. It's 12:50 a.m. right now. What happened? So we lost the key on the beach, and we found them. About half an hour.
Yeah, looking for them for a while.
Looking for the keys.
Walked past them, did a whole loop everywhere. On the way back, Eddie stepped on them. I was like, what is this black thing? Looked down.
We found the key. I don't know how. We were scouting for areas to camp everywhere, and we finally did it. We got it after like 8 hours of surfing. This is great. And we're gonna have a good super session tomorrow, aren't we, boys? Where are we gonna go out?
Stanwell.
Knew it. Yeah, so here we are. I've got no pillow. Pets has everything you need. Mac pack, pillow, board bag. I've just got the board bag. But I've got 2 jumpers on and stuff, so I'll probably take it. It's a bit hot right now. You. So yeah, let's get it, boys.
Bro, where's my board? It's crazy. Yo, you see my board?
Fixing the board bag over there, dude.
What? What is this guy doing? Get out my board.
Hey guys, we just finished camping out here at East Corrimal Beach. There's actually some waves about. It's like, there's heaps of waves. It's like 2 to 4 foot maybe. I think people have been watching us sleep here. It's gonna be hard to unravel camp. And yeah, I'm gonna.
Those people there,
They definitely saw us sleeping here. And yeah, this is where we were sleeping for the night. I didn't have a pillow, nor a mat.
I was sleeping like a king.
Patsy was sleeping like a king. Bear's pillow wasn't really working. But yeah, we made it happen. We made it work. Now, I would definitely recommend this experience to Ogrom because you got to do it at least once in your life. And like, you wake up to like pretty decent fucking surf. Like, it's actually pretty good out there. So I cannot complain at all. So yeah, I forgot to film a video at night, so I'm gonna roll back some iPhone clips to show you what it was like sleeping at night time. So yeah, roll back the clip.
Yo, dude, where's my board bag?
I think it's over there, bro.
Bro, that is not my board.
So weird, dude. Get out of his board bag.